Hey, today we want to share with you this new CMS, this new tool to create your website. It's called cloudwebkit. This is you can start for free. You can start without a credit card. So it's very easy to, if you want to test it, it's very good. You can come to the website, create your account, start working with it. Is I would say it's very easy, very complete, very, I will say, decent in terms of the templates they give you for free, how the tool works. You can move elements up and down. You can edit directly on the website. So in every sense, it's like a more, we can call it a bit more modern than WordPress, where you have the website and the editor completely separated. Here is like you have a real preview, a real WYSIWYG editor, so you can change, modify, delete elements with a real-time preview of your website. So this is always something you may need, may want, may prefer, rather than going to WordPress, where you don't see what you are doing until you are finished. No? Anyway, this is as I said, this is a very good editor. Plenty of options. Everything is here. Very easy to use. You can add more pages. The templates by default are like this. This is something that was already pre-built. I mean, you choose what type of website you want to do. I choose a fitness website, and everything is already there. Pictures, images, text, content, layout. You don't need to pretty much do anything. You just need to fine-tune the content and you are ready to go. So if we go to, let's save this one, we can go to preview, and the website is going to be here with the WhatsApp widget already also available. How you add the WhatsApp widget to this cloudwebkit website? I mean, this is another thing that is very well done. If you go here to this option, here is where you can add custom code. You can add custom CSS, and you can add custom scripting or pixels or anything like that. So here you can add the code of your WhatsApp widget. Let's go to the website so you see what I'm saying. This is our website. You can create your account for free. If you have your account already, you can come here, go to widgets. This is your widget. You get the code. This is my code. I close this one. I go here and I put it here. I did it. I think so. Okay. Apply and save. Yes, it's done. Here is the notification, and now I can go to preview, and this is here. Okay, this is another widget than the other, and I just changed it. If you want to change the design of the widget, we go to the widget, we edit. We have a new tab for design that is, I think, is very good. You can change the color, of course. Let's put this, let's make it purple, for example. We can change the roundness of the elements. Now it's 5. We can put 2. The button rounding, we can put it 5, for example. Now seems a bit more square. This is something you can choose and adjust. There is another option. There is a new option that is we call it no header, and if you do that, you only have the agent. We remove the header part of the widget, and is not longer here anymore. And there is another option that I think is also good. Let's go to widget, and is you can add a banner to the widget. What that means is, let me just go for a banner. A banner can be anything you have on your website. Let's choose this one, for example. And here you can add a link to the banner. You can say this banner is going to go to, I don't know, let's say to Google. I mean, ideally you will put a promotion, a coupon, something like that, and this is going to appear here. So, this is like a super easy to use promotional tool, to create your banners, your agent, your WhatsApp widget, everything in one place. And now if we go to the site and we reload, everything is going to be updated. So a very nice, very easy to use website editor, cloudwebkit, a very easy to use WhatsApp widget complement to make everything work smoothly with your agents, with your sales team, with the promotions, the coupons. Everything is going to work super easy here in your WhatsApp widget. Think about the user on her cell phone, and this element with the WhatsApp button is going to be the best tool for you to sell more and more. So hope you like it, hope you like Cloud WebKit, and if you have questions, comments, just make a comment. We are here to help you, and thank you very much.